Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go ahead and walk through a couple modifying command here. So let's construct something simple. I'm going to go ahead and do a polygon of uh, let's do a hexagon here. Uh, sure, why not? I'm just going to do that. All right. And let's say I want to do something. If I want to make multiple copies of this, there's an option where it says copy, and then I can select the object, and then I'll hit enter. Now they tell me where do I want to be the base of the selection, so I can just click one of this corner, and you can see I can drop as many copies as I want out here until I hit escape. So that is the copy command. Another thing that you can do here is you can also rotate these things if you want to rotate it and hit enter here. And then I'll use this point of rotation so I can rotate them however I like. So there you are doing it. Um, Another thing is if I want to have a copy of this on to a different size. So let's create something different here real quick. I'm going to use a polyline just to construct this real quick. All right. And I want to have another copy of this on the other side. So I'm going to use the mirror option here. So I'm going to select this object and hit enter. And then I'll mirror around this point here. So now I do not want to erase my main object. So I say no, but if you want to, you say yes. In my case right now, I say no, so you can see that. So now this, the right side, the mirror of the left side. And that is using the mirror options. Okay. Um, Enjoy.